Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5075912 on your Windows 10 computer. Now the first step is to go to Windows settings and then go to update and security and then go to Windows update. Here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. Once paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows update. Make a double click on Windows update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows update, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click on background intelligent transfer service, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click. Again set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows settings and then you can, if you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working, run this command, run update troubleshooter. Now for this, you can open Windows settings and then go to update and security and then go to troubleshoot option. Click on additional troubleshooters. Windows update, click on run the troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart the computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Let the scan complete. This process will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5075912. So KB5075912. KB5075912 and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your version. For me, the version is version 22H2. And then check your system type. So open Windows settings and then you can go to system, go to about option, scroll down, click on about over here. Check your system type. So for me, its system type is 64-bit operating system. Now I have to search for Windows 10 version 22H2. Windows 10 version, in my case the version is 22H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. Now if you have Windows 10 version 21H2 x64, then you can find that one. For me this is the right one. And then you can click on download over here. And over here you have to click on KB5075912 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. And here you can see media creation tool over here. You can click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next over here. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, click on accept over here. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 10. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.